If you just open your YouTube studio and you see copyright claim in any of your video, take a deep breath like this. Pause. Don't touch anything yet, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to respond to a copyright claim the right way, step by step, so you don't turn small issue into a big problem. So recently one of my videos got a copyright claim. It was my first time experiencing it, and honestly when I saw it I panicked. But after understanding how it works, I realized something. Most creators don't get into trouble because of the copyright claim itself. They get into trouble because of how they respond to it. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through where to click, what each option means, and which option to choose depending on your situation. So let's go over to your YouTube studio and do that.
The first thing you want to do is to go to your YouTube studio, and you can access that through your Chrome browser. I'm currently on my YouTube studio dashboard right now. After that, click on content, then go ahead to find the video with the copyright claim. This is the video that was claimed. I tap on the video, then I went on to click on restriction. This is the process I followed. As at the time I was making this video, the copyright claim was already gone. I totally forgot to film the beginning, so this is it. So when you click on restriction, further click on see details. Before you take any action, read what YouTube says. Is the video blocked or not? Is monetization affected? Is it a claim or a strike? If it says this is not a copyright strike, relax, you are safe. Now the next thing you need to check is what exactly was claimed. Is it music, a video clip, or a background sound? YouTube will show you the exact timestamp. This step is important because how you respond depends on what was claimed. In my own case, it was a video clip that I used for my own video. Now when you click take action, YouTube usually give you 3 options. Let me explain each one. The first option is do nothing. Although YouTube didn't document or write it here, but this option is okay if your video is not monetized yet or the video is not very important to you. So if you do nothing bad will happen to your channel. The video can stay public. This is the safest option for beginners. The second one is edit the video. YouTube allows you to trim out the claim part, mute the audio, or replace it with free YouTube music. This is a good option if you don't want stress or you are not sure about fair use. After editing, the copyright claim usually disappear. Now the third option is dispute the claim. This is where you must be careful. Only dispute if the clip or music is short, you added your own voice, your explanation or commentary to it, and if your video is transformed, not totally copied. If you dispute wrongly, it can turn into strike. Now that we know and understand this option, let's go ahead to take action. Click on continue. If you are disputing, choose fair use. Then select the option that best describe your video, like educational video, commentary. When YouTube asks you to explain, keep it short and clear. For example, this video include a short clip used for educational and commentary purposes. I added my own narration and explanation, and the clip is not used as substitute for the original content. No long story, no begging, no emotional talk. When you are done typing the reason why you use a clip in your video, go ahead and submit it. After submitting, your video stays up, your channel is safe, nothing bad happens immediately. Wait till the owner of the clip you use review it and decide. If they accept it, the claim is removed. If they reject it, the claim comes back. That's all. You don't have to escalate things.
So please don't dispute just because someone on YouTube say always dispute. Protect your channel first. Editing or leaving the video is not bad, it is not failure, it is wisdom. Copyright claims are part of YouTube measures to protect creators. They don't stop your own growth and they don't kill your own channel. What matters is how you respond to it. So if this video helped you to understand how to respond to a copyright claim, do well by giving this video a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, do Do well by subscribing to the channel, turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss any of these amazing tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video.